got my eyebrows done. What's new? I got a brand new dip brow. Same shade, but ew. It's new, so it's like nice and creamy. Okay, I'm hurt. We're gonna go on in with the eyes. I don't know what I'm doing as far as the eyes, but it's like full set, right? Tonight, New Year's Eve, everything is about being a full-on set. So, we're just gonna go with it. I am not entirely sure what I'm gonna do on the eyes. Like, I think I want to do something kind of purplish, kind of, I don't know. I really don't know, so let's not judge. Okay, I'm not gonna zoom you guys in because that's too much work and I don't even know what I'm doing, so what's the point? I'm just gonna dip into Rockstar. It's so interesting because I do this technique on everyone I do their makeup and it just looks so different on me. It works so much better on them. I don't know. I don't think my eye shape is that different. I'm gonna dip into this shade Volatile from the Norvina palette and use that to buff out this purple. Oh, if you haven't gotten it by now, I want to listen to music while I do my eyeshadow, especially since I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're just gonna speed this up. I'll probably show the shades I'm using, maybe, and we're gonna lay some music over this, just so you know. There you go. Okay, bye. I was sent this Stila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Cloud. Complimentary, I have to say that. I think I'm going to use this as like my base and like to cut the crease. This shadow works really well. I like how it applies and it blends out like a dream. It's really pretty if you decide to blend it out or use it pretty concentrated. I want to get these in more shades. I'll actually zoom you guys in for this one. I'm just going to take a flat brush to define the edges. Kind of messed that one up. That's okay. And then I'll just pat out the edges. And then for the glitter, I'm going to take the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma and layer that over top. This one isn't looking so defined and cut as this one, but it doesn't really matter because I can use the glitter to do that. Again, I'm just patting that out so that it blends in seamlessly and it's not a harsh line. I'll just go ahead and reapply my matte shadows and get that fade going in. I'm just going to go ahead and do a black winged liner. I'm not good at this, and I especially cannot do it on camera. So she's just going to go off camera for a minute, and we'll come back with maybe that. Maybe lashes. Probably not. Whoa, what's going on here? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. And we're back. And I changed my shirt because, honestly... As I was saying, we're back. Changed my shirt because I'm a little sweaty. Yeah, I did do lashes because I realized that if I did them after I did my face, I would be too lazy to do them. And I'll end up doing them and then feeling really ugly. Also, my hair is completely fallen out, but I probably won't even touch it up. This shirt's a little scandalous and it might come down a little too much and you might see a little too much. Please forgive me. It's New Year's Eve and so we're gonna make an exception even though all I'm doing is filming. and then taking this off, and probably won't even make it to 2 years. What we're going to do is take the Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Oyster, use that on my high points. This is not that great, but it's the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. I think I stole this from my friend, but she said it wasn't hers, so who knows. But we're going to spray that because this is a little dry and I don't want to get up and redamp it. Dampen it. Sorry guys, it's been a long night. We're just going to pounce that ish in. I'm going to use this Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation that I never use. It goes on really white and then oxidizes and then it's my color, so I would recommend going a shade lighter if you're going to buy this. I'm going to pounce that in. I could even use a brush, but do I want to? Do I really want to? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You're heavy. Heavy? Heavy? Okay, I love you. Night-night. Normally I would do cream bronzer, but I'm lazy and want this to be over with, and I'm trying to get this up by New Year's. Probably will not happen, but we're gonna try. Also, my foundation does not look good close up, but if you're out partying all night long, something I will not be doing, you won't even be able to tell because you'll be having a good time, they'll be having a good time, and everyone will just be having a good time. And I never wear this much concealer. If I do happen to get this up by New Year's, which again, probably that's really unlikely for me. I feel like my makeup is kind of just one of those things where it looks good from far away tonight. I'm just going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder because I'm too lazy to go in with a translucent powder, even though I just bought a new one. Oh, actually my skin looks really good. I don't usually go this matte, which is funny because I literally mixed a highlighter into my foundation. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs bronzer. Oh, I love the sound of my brothers fighting. No, I don't. So I don't accept that I'm actually really white. And I'm not as tan as I think I am. Like, I've been buying the medium shade in the matte concealer palettes for 6 years now. I've gone through maybe 3 or 4 of those. And all I want to be is tan. I don't even fake tan it that often. Like, I probably do it about 3 times a year. I even told myself I was going to do it last night and it just didn't end up happening. And then I shaved everything for nothing. Like, it's winter, I don't need to. Like, I need to just realize that I'm white. I guess I can contour my nose, I suppose. Why not? I'm already there. I may as well just take it there. I don't want to edit this. Okay, then I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Swish and Pop blusher in the shade Ecstasy, which I never plan on taking in my lifetime. So we're just going to swish. That was a lot. And pop. What do you want? Let's try this Tarte Pro Glow palette. I always forget I have this and then I just never use it. I'm going to use the shade Stunner and use that as my highlighter. And I'm also going to use this shade on the inner corner. You know what? Just because I never do, I'm going to contour a little bit today. Okay, I'm going to bake now. I'm just going to use the Hourglass. That's so cool. When I dump it out, there's a little H. I don't like this powder, but it's sitting right in front of me and I paid a lot of money for it. So we're going to use it. I'm just going in with my brow gel. The powder is kind of made my brows a little bit ashy, so this tinted brow gel is just going to bring the warmth back in. Let's continue with the eyes, and then we'll do lips, and we'll be done. So I'm just going in with Mystic, the darkest shade. I was going to do an Instagram tutorial, but I've forgotten what I'm doing the majority of this, so we're not going to do that. I'm just stamping this on my lower lash line. Yup. And then I'm going to go in with the smudging side of the Anastasia brush and pick up, when did I do that? Rockstar and Spark, the purple and red from the palette. And I'm going to smoke this out. I'm not going to take this down as low as I normally do because I want to keep that liner quite sharp. I'm just going to basically place it right over top, but because the brush is a little bit bigger, it's not going to place it as tight. And then with nothing on the brush on the opposite side, actually we'll go in with like this lightest transition shade. With that on the brush, I'm just going to smoke this out. Again, I'm not taking it too far down low. Make sure that these connect. I'm going to take the Shimmer and Glow I'm gonna wipe off all the excess and place the tiniest amount right along my lower lash line, the inner part. Do this pretty much in all my looks. It's just, I like how it complements my eyes. I'm gonna use a black eyeliner because it's New Year's. We're trying to be dramatic. Then I'm gonna do something I never do. I'm gonna line my lips and go in with the lip liner and probably hate it and probably take it off right after, but we're gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Pillow Talk. And then I'm gonna go in with her lipstick in the shade Penelope Pink. And then I'm gonna go in with this MAC Tinsel Seeker lip gloss. This is gonna make it a little bit more pink. 4 hours later, the look is done. Please like and subscribe, do all the YouTuber things. I'm not good at this. Alright, Happy New Year! Peace.